Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today, and some people are collecting mintwise. For them also some coins are available. Let's start. Food and shelter for all, Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 5 paise, 200 rupees. Dandi March, mule coin, Mumbai mint, only for 200 rupees. 1973 Kolkata mint, 50 paise, UNC condition, only for 200 rupees. 1990 Dabbo coin, UNC condition, Kolkata mint, only for 200. Commonwealth Games, Noida mint, UNC condition, only for 200. Bolu, 150 years of Kolkata Railways, UNC condition, only for 200 rupees. 2002 Noida mint, 5 rupees, copper nickel, only for 100 rupees. (1960) Kolkata mint, 25 paise, only for 100 rupees. 1961 Mumbai mint, 25 paise, only for 100 rupees. 1962 Kolkata mint, only for 100 rupees. 1965 Mumbai mint, only for 100 rupees. 1966 Mumbai mint, for 100. Please, when you are clicking the picture, click this side and send. Don't send this side. I will not understand which date. Commonwealth Games, Hyderabad mint, UNC condition, only for 200 rupees. 1965 Mumbai mint, 10 paise, UNC condition, only for 100 rupees. These all for mint-wise collectors. I bought all some common coins also. 1982 Mumbai mint, BU condition, 200 rupees. Asian Games Kolkata mint, BU condition, only for 200 rupees. 1969 Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 50 paise, only for 200 rupees. 1957 very scarce coin, first 25 paise, this is Kolkata mint, only for 200. 1982 Mumbai mint, only for 100 rupees, national integration. Rainfed farming, Mumbai mint, UNC condition, for 300. Railways Bolo, Noida mint, UNC condition, only for 400 rupees. 1970 Mumbai mint, only for 100 rupees. Hyderabad mint, Jawaharlal Nehru scarce coin, only for 200 rupees. 1969 Mumbai mint, UNC condition, for 200. Grow More Food, Mumbai mint, UNC condition, only for 100. Indira Gandhi Hyderabad mint, 50 paise, scarce coin, only for 200. UNC condition Fisheries Mumbai mint, for 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 200. Arabindo Kolkata mint, very scarce coin, UNC condition, for 300. नेहरू कलकत्ता मिंट 50 पैसे, हिंदी लेजेंड for 100, देशबंधु चित्रंजन दास कलकत्ता मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन only for 200, प्लांट फैमिली कलकत्ता मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन 200, प्लांट फैमिली मुंबई मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन 200, के कामराज हैदराबाद मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन only for 300, 1994 नोएडा मिंट only for 200 rupees, 1999 नोएडा मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन for 100 rupees, स्मॉल फार्मर्स यूएनसी कंडीशन वेरी स्केर्स कॉइन मुंबई मिंट only for 300 rupees, 300 rupees each, 1995 Noida Mint UNC condition for 200, 1987 Mumbai Mint 1 rupee only for 100 rupees, 1986 Calcutta Mint only for 100, 1984 Mumbai Mint only for 100, World Food Day 10 paise UNC condition Mumbai Mint 200 rupees each, सुभाष चंद्र बोस कलकत्ता मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन 200 rupees, फूड एंड वर्क फॉर ऑल कलकत्ता मिंट 5 पैसे यूएनसी कंडीशन only for 300 rupees, फूड एंड वर्क फॉर ऑल मुंबई मिंट यूएनसी कंडीशन only for 300 rupees, ILO Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300, United Nation Mumbai Mint UNC condition very scarce coin 400 rupees with rotation, check the rotation, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Hyderabad Mint UNC condition only for 500 rupees, Rural Woman Hyderabad Mint UNC condition for only 400 rupees, Bolu Railways Mumbai Mint UNC condition only for 300 rupees, Small Family Mumbai Mint UNC condition very scarce coin only for 500 rupees, Care for the Girl Child Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition, no dent or damage, everything is clear here only for 400 rupees, rare coin, United Nation Noida Mint AUNC condition very scarce coin only for 400 rupees, $1996 Noida Mint error coin, ghost image, full map is here. I'm trying to show you the map. You can see the map. The map is there only for 200 rupees, UNC condition. 2002 Noida Mint very scarce coin, UNC condition only for 400 rupees, Biodiversity Mumbai Mint UNC condition only for 400. 2007 Noida Mint cross coin 10 rupees. UNC condition only for 300 rupees. Black Beauty Basveshwar Mumbai Mint single mint coin only for 400. 1982 Kolkata Mint BU condition Dabbu coin with rotation only for 200 rupees. Care for Girl Child Mumbai Mint UNC condition only for 300 rupees. This also has a mild rotation. 1947 Mumbai Mint UNC condition George 6 only for 400 rupees. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Kolkata Mint UNC for 400. ILO Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition very scarce coin only for 500. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint UNC condition only for 300. Food and Work for All Kolkata Mint UNC condition 500 rupees. Forestry for Development Hyderabad Mint UNC condition very scarce coin only for 700 rupees. $19.99 Mumbai Mint Fat Lion rare coin mule coin. This is 600 rupees. Fisheries UNC condition Kolkata Mint. This is a, you can see this black. This is a Black Beauty type. It's not some dirt or something. It's like patches of Black Beauty. Kolkata Mint very scarce coin only for 300 rupees. Dadabhai Nauroji mule coin Kolkata Mint. Big rotation is there, you can see big rotation only for 300 rupees. Mule plus rotation. Quit India Movement Kolkata Mint UNC condition only for 800 rupees. Mahavir Noida Mint UNC condition very scarce coin only for 400 rupees. 2006 cross coin Noida Mint very scarce coin only for 400. World Food Day AUNC condition Kolkata Mint rare coin. See the full luster there only for 600 rupees. Agriculture Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition very scarce coin with mild rotation only for 500 rupees. Tilakki Copper Nickel Mumbai Mint single mint coin only for 1600 rupees. "50 years of Independence Kolkata Mint 50 paise Dandi March UNC condition for 400. Save for Development Hyderabad Mint. Hyderabad Mint is very difficult to get in Hyderabad Mint. It's UNC condition coin only for 500 rupees. Agri Expo Mumbai Mint BU condition rare coin only for 1200 rupees. Khadi Village Mumbai Mint BU condition rare coin only for 1700 rupees. See the line, everything is clear. One more Khadi Village error coin BU condition rare coin. This is error is here, you can see the ghost image, all these letters you can see here. I'm trying to show you all the letters. Full around the letters idade. Only for 2500 error coin plus rare coin. Tilak key FSS UNC condition Mumbai Mint single mint coin only for 2000 rupees. Mahatma Basveshwar error coin. I'm trying to show you all. One big die crack is there from up to down. I don't know, you can't see in the 1 minute. I'm trying to show. One up to down from ear to ear straight die crack is there. You have to see from the magnifying glass. You can't see here. Only for 1000 rupees. 1950 Mumbai Mint UNC condition. Only for 1500 rupees. 1962 Kolkata Mint AUNC condition. Rare coin, means very scarce coin, and with rotation 1000 rupees. This coin very, you don't get very oftenly this rotation. This is UNC set coin, Durga Das, Mumbai Mint, and this coin came in circulation with Hyderabad Mint. Only Hyderabad Mint circulation coin comes, Durga Das, and this is Mumbai Mint UNC set coin. Somebody wants to add in collection, mint wise adding, they have to add this only. This is only for 4K with free delivery. Chinmayananda UNC condition lion variety. You can check this lion. This is a fat lion, one is thin lion. Only for 400 rupees set. There are some 1 rupee coins, 15 coins are there. I don't know what the dates are there. Only for 400 rupees. All mixed dates. You can see all mixed dates are there. Only for 400 rupees. And this 5 paisa food and shelter for all, Kolkata Mint. 6 coins are there. Only for 200 rupees. Extra fine to like a UNC type of condition. This food and work for all, 2 coins are there. One is safe for development. UNC to UNC type of condition. Only for 800 rupees, 3. Very good offer. This is a rare coin. Safe for development is a rare coin. These also very scarce coins. Kolkata Mint. This safe for development is a Kolkata Mint. Only for 800 rupees. All 3. Nehru Mumbai Mint. 200 rupees each. BHU Banaras Hindu University UNC condition without mint mark. Only for 200 rupees. Only one single coin is there. Asian Games Kolkata Mint 10 paise, 100 rupees each, UNC condition. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.